Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Today I'm going to do a review recommendation of a product that I've been using for a while now called from Boat Dehumidifier Bags, air purifying activated charcoal. So living in Florida, we get pretty humid weather throughout the years, and it can be pretty harsh and damaging on electronics, tackle, and whatnot. So I always like to put something like this in my boat where my electronics are, and just change it out every now and then. It's preventive maintenance basically. A lot of people don't do it, they don't care. But if you take a little bit of time out of your day, a little bit out of your budget, and do something like this, you're gonna be really happy with the end results and the longevity of your equipment, your tackle, and your electronics. So with this product here, comes in a little 4-pack. And you know, it depends on what time of year it is and all that kind of stuff, how long it lasts and whatnot. So I just like to open it up. And it's pretty cool that it's got like a little hanging thing on it. Just throw that down there, so you hang it, gets the moisture caught in there, and it drips down to there. And when that gets full, you just replace it, throw it away, dispose of it properly. And it's pretty easy to use. But with mine, my electronics are right in here. Be really careful, nothing falls out. I had one that usually hangs up here off of all my Garmin, all my GPS stuff. They're just a thicker cable, so the transducers and whatnot, I can just put those up in there. So basically all I'll do is I just hang it right like that, and then when this compartment's shut, all that moisture, if there's any in there, trapped, because I don't know if you can see inside there. Here, I'll bring the camera. When you have boats like this, I mean, you get electronics in there going crazy, and it's basically almost like a space shuttle setup, a NASA rocket, all the wiring, these modern boats. So you want to take care of that kind of stuff. So again, it's Boat Dehumidifier Bags. Highly suggest you get you some. You're probably going to like them just as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.